Hi, my name is Namrata Dandi and I enjoyed the Evision 45 Days program, which turned out to be very valuable and enriching learning experience. During this internship, I gained strong practical knowledge in Windows administration, Active Directory, ITIL fundamentals, and CCNA basics, along with hands-on exposure to real-time IT support scenarios. The program also included mock interviews and soft skills trainings, which helped me improve my communication skills, boost my confidence, and prepare effectively for the real interview situation. The trainers were supportive and explained concepts in a clear, practical manner, making learning even for beginners. With the guidance and continuous support from my recruiter Deepthi, I successfully got placed as an analyst at HCL. This opportunity gave me a strong start to my IT career and helped me step into the industry with confidence and real world exposure. Overall, Evision is an excellent platform for freshers to build technical skills, gain hands on experience, and receive proper placement support. I highly recommend everyone and anyone who is looking into something into IT support who want to get into the IT world with a solid base. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you, Evision.